There's a really lot of cool manufacturing that's going on in America all around you if you just walk outside and look.
American Makers isn't just a label, it's a movement. We're shining a light on the companies, people, and craft behind American industry. Rooted in Cumming, Georgia, Blastech is more than a manufacturer. They're a backbone for the community.
Here at Blastech, we make custom engineered shot blast systems for the steel finishing industry. Shot blasting systems descale steel products, whether it be heavy equipment, plate steel, structural steel, bridge girders, so that it can be finished, whether it's direct to metal paint or powder coating or any other kind of finish. Before you put that finish on it, it has to be clean. We serve a lot of the infrastructure industries, heavy equipment people, automotive, hospitals, buildings, construction, energy, wind towers, rail cars, military, Department of Defense. If you have steel and you have to clean it before you put a finish on it, you would use our equipment in your process. This is the heart of all of our machines. This is what's doing the work, is throwing abrasive using centrifugal force, propelling it like high-li to mechanically descale the surface. It's basically cleaning it at a very high rate, very efficient manner versus having to do it manually. If you had to do it by hand, it would take you a very long time to do this. Here, we're primarily doing fabrication work. After we've designed the equipment, we release it to production, and production kicks it out to manufacturing, where we have material handlers, we have burn table operators, formers, but also fabricators, welders that are basically fitting up all this equipment, welding it out, and then painting it. So there's a lot of skilled work that goes into what we do in order to ship out our products. Main materials that we use here are predominantly steel products, plate steel, structural steel, pipe steel. All of that is sourced here in America. Most of it is here locally as much as we can, so it's supporting our local supply chain as well as our suppliers throughout the country. We've had suppliers for over 40, 45 years. They know us, we know them, they're all over the country, and it's a lot easier knowing that we have them to rely on in order for us to build our product for our customers. The tangible benefits of supporting American manufacturing are shorter lead times, making deliverables, controlling schedules, adapting to disruptive changes in the supply chain, supporting our employees and their families, supporting our communities, supporting American growth and sustainability. It's basically helping to ensure that the American dream stays alive. One of my hopes for the future of the industry is that not only does it continue to grow, but to get more young people involved into the manufacturing industry here, more technical, vocational education programs to help young people get exposure to manufacturing. Being able to produce something, being able to have a skill, I think is important, and it's important to sustain that here in America to help our country grow and prosper.